Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kima and I provide weekly work from home opportunities that you could do from anywhere in the world or in the US, along with ideas on how to turn your side hustle into your main money making hustle. So today we will be talking about ChatGPT and I am creating a whole series on it. So we'll be talking about how to use this powerful language model to ask it the correct questions to generate passive income. What is ChatGPT? What is this craze that everybody on the internet is talking about? ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by Openai. ChatGPT is a machine learning model that uses deep learning to generate human-like text based on a given prompt. It can be used for a wide range of tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and question and answering. One key aspect of using ChatGPT effectively is using prompt engineering. Now, prompt engineering is the process of crafting the input or the prompt that is fed into the model. The goal of prompt engineering is to create a prompt that will generate the desired output from the model. Okay, so I'm going to provide you guys with a few tips on how to effectively use prompt engineering to generate your questions for ChatGPT. So first, you're going to start with a clear goal in mind. So before crafting your prompt, just think about, what do I want to achieve? What do I want to achieve with this generated text? For example, if you want to know the cause of global warming, your prompt should be, what are the causes of global warming and how can they be mitigated? Make use of conditional statements. You can include specific conditions in your prompts to guide the model's output, under which the model should generate a response. For example, you can use if-then statements to specify a certain condition wherein the model will generate a certain response. So for example, you can word your question like this: what would happen if CO2 emissions continue to increase at this current rate? You can also use examples and templates in ChatGPT. So you can provide examples of the type of text that you want the model to generate. Or you can use templates to drive the structure of the generated text. For example, you can use the template, please summarize the following article. Then you would insert the URL for the article that you want it to model after. After you enter that URL of that article, you're going to finish it by saying, in 2 to 3 sentences. So let's put that all together. Please summarize the following article. You're going to enter the URL of the article, and then you're going to finish it by saying, in 2 to 3 sentences. Okay, so you also want to provide context. The more context you provide in your prompt, the more likely it is that ChatGPT will be able to generate a detailed and accurate response. For example, if you're asking about a historical event, you could ask, what was the cause of the French Revolution in 1789? And don't forget your punctuation, so make sure you add that question mark. Okay, so once you have crafted your prompt, you want to test it with ChatGPT to see how well it performs. If the output was not what you were expecting, make adjustments to your prompt and test again until you achieve your desired output. Prompt engineering is an iterative process, and it can take a few attempts to craft the perfect prompt. But with practice, you can improve the quality and accuracy of the generated text from ChatGPT. Okay guys, so that is today's video. I hope you guys found some value in this and learned something. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below, letting me know what you've learned and how you enjoyed the video. Also, leave some comments on other videos you would like to see as well. And make sure that you guys tune in because I am doing a whole series on ChatGPT on how to use it to make money passively. And also videos on how to turn your side hustle into your main money making hustle. Again, my name is Kima and thank you for watching.